Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to kind of show you the growth of the tomatoes that I have, and I'm gonna share some sun tea and some updates on the carrots. So let's jump in. Alrighty, hopefully you guys can hear me with the wind chime that's on my porch. So we have all the tomatoes. I've started to harden them off. Today is 82 degrees outside, so I figured it'd finally be warm enough and there's actually sun to start hardening these off. And then we have some sun tea. Now, if you guys have never had sun tea, basically all you need is just a glass jar and fill it up with cold or room temperature water, don't too hot, and let it sit outside for 4 to 10 hours. And you can either add sweetener afterwards or just drink it as it is. I add 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 of a cup of honey to this size. And yeah, sun tea is amazing. I know it's a southern thing and I love it. One of the girls at work said for me to make it and it's great. So this is probably about the 4th or 5th time doing it. So yeah, these are all the tomatoes. Some of them are a little leggy, and some of these, like this one, they're still like really small. I thinned these out a lot because we had a lot growing. But yeah, so I'm also going to show you guys the growing space that I'm going for the main garden. So, and oh, the wonderful pear tree. Our ducks love the pears. Alrighty, so this is my main garden space, and these are the stakes that I used last year for tomatoes, and I'm going to use those again. I use zip ties to hold my tomatoes up. You can use whatever, pantyhose, a cut up t-shirt. I know there's specific like tomato clips you could use, but I figured why spend money if I don't have to. We have hundreds of zip ties. Okay, so this plant right here is a very interesting rose bush. And I say interesting because the colors are absolutely beautiful. Here we have 2 blueberry bushes. Got these last year and we haven't gotten any blueberries from them yet. I'm sure you guys can hear my puppy whining in the background because I left her view. But yeah, so we have not had any blueberries yet, and I'm really hoping maybe this year we can get them, but I'm not holding my breath. I know blueberries can take up to 4 years. So yeah, this bed is about ready. I need to add some soil to it because there's a little divot right there, and I'm gonna get that filled in. And I'm thinking what I'm going to do this year is space out some tomatoes back here. I wasn't going to put any tomatoes back here originally, but I think I'm going to put some and keep a few more just so I can have some more tomatoes. And then I'm going to put bush beans in the middle in between, and then I think I'm going to cover that whole area over there with bush beans as well, with Blue Lake, I think it's 247, and then also the dragon tongue beans. Alrighty. So, I'm very excited, and sorry, my eyes are very watery. I've been nasally all day. My allergies are acting up. I like spring because it's time to plant, but quite honestly, I just very much dislike spring because my allergies are so bad. And every year, I'm either stuffy, or my eyes are watering, or I got both. And today, we got both. So, it is what it is. But yeah, so with our pears, our pear tree, we just got pears for the first time last year. So I think I'm gonna try pears again. I'm not a fan of pears, but the only pears that I've ever had have been preserved, and I don't like the texture. But I tried one last year, it wasn't terrible, so kind of try again, see how it is. And the ones that we don't eat, we'll give to our ducks. Our ducks will eat pears like no tomorrow. What else? Oh, strawberries are coming. I believe sometime this week, and I'm definitely going to do a video of when I get them and then planting them. But yeah. So, the other thing, what is it? Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys about hardening off your plants. So, the point of hardening off your seedlings, if you've started them inside and not outside, is to reintroduce sunlight, get them used to the weather, and this process should take about a week. For your first day, start with 1 hour of sunlight and just increase that an extra hour every single day. Now, it is very late afternoon because I just got home from work not long ago. I just put my tomatoes out, and then inside too we also have some bell pepper starts, and I really don't know where I'm going to put those. I want to say I have a few pots that I can put them in, but I don't really know for sure. Oh, it is rough today. What else? I'm trying to think. I don't know off the top of my head, but either way, the strawberries will be coming, and I'll do a video on that and planting them and everything. And yeah, so I mean, we're basically in full swing with getting things done, you know, raising the ducklings, you know, getting all the plants started and starting to harden them off. And it's going to be a busy year, and it's going to be a lot more than what we've ever done, but it's going to be nice, and it'll be a nice change. Also, in one of my videos, I had stated that I had 4 basil plants. All of my basil has died aside from one plant. And now, they were a plant start, they were Bonnies, I got them from Lowe's. I'm not exactly sure why they died, but they all shriveled up and died at the same exact time. And I have one left. And it's the purple basil, which is nice because I don't have seeds for purple basil. And Lowe's is out of them around here. And then we have like a privately owned plant place right down the road from our house. They're not open yet, so I'm hoping they'll have some more basil, and we'll go from there. But yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys an update. There's so much traffic, but just wanted to give you guys an update, and I will talk to you all in the next video.